Hey everybody, today we have this huge package from our viewer. I don't know what's inside, all I know there's supposed to be a Lenovo Legion laptop. Let's open it up and see what we have prepared today. Okay, very nice. The customer left us a note. Let's read what the customer wrote. I have a laptop here with the likely CPU issues. Sometimes it turns on, sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes I have to press near the keyboard where the CPU is located. It reminds me of something. That's the problem I'm having. I have also disconnected the battery to avoid any transport damage or fire risk. Well done. I placed the charger at the bottom of the package and the laptop on the top, so it's well protected. Okay. Looks like we have the same laptop as we had before. No way. I can't believe. What the hell? I have flashbacks right now. If you remember, I already repaired Lenovo Legion 5 Pro with the memory issues. And we have also here the crack. Look at this. What the hell? Look at this. We have the crack in the same place. See? This is probably typical for Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Okay. Let's press the power button. Okay. Yeah. I see the issue. The issue is the same as we had it in the previous video. Most likely we don't have any voltage on the memory slots. These parts are very fragile, so if you're not paying attention enough, you can break it. Okay. Okay. I guess. Okay, that's it. The warranty sticker is broken. I don't know if somebody attempted to work on this board or not. We have to find out. Okay, the light is on, as you can see. No any voltages here. The heatsink is out. Let's measure crystal oscillator. We have the tester in diode mode. 71 and nothing. Nothing as expected. So yeah, and I guess if you're gonna press, maybe something gonna appear. Yeah, okay, and missing. Let's press once again. Yeah, definitely, as you can see, it reacts on the movement. Okay, so let's take the motherboard out and prepare it for the soldering process. Let's go.
Dropping in the room, it feels like a ghost is passing through.
Right, the CPU reballing has been finished properly. Let me explain once again the issue and the solution and sum up the results for this repair. So when we press the power button, this guy EC chip, so-called embedded controller, enables the power supply for the chipset, which is integrated in the CPU. The chipset is supposed to receive the power button out signal from the embedded controller and respond with PM SMP S3 and PM SMP S4 signals. And this event will not gonna happen because we are missing connection on our crystal oscillator, which is this guy right here, which generates 32 kilohertz startup frequency. And of course, the embedded controller will not proceed to start up the rest of the power supply for the CPU, GPU, and the memory. And as a result, the motherboard will not start at all. So we fixed already the connection to our crystal oscillator. Right now is generating 32 kilohertz, which is properly, and the motherboard is starting up. Let me quickly demonstrate this. Okay, let's hook up the power supply, start it up. And as you can see, it's starting up. Yeah. All the voltages are present. Right now, the last step is assemble the laptop back together, apply a PTM7950 on CPU, GPU, and test it once again. Since the customer haven't provided us the NVMe drive, we have to test it with our drive.